excellent. This is a net plus. We can move on. We can even trade here. Here we have a refund and we need to wait for this candle to close. Okay, great plus in the end. Well, this is such a wonderful indicator. Hello guys, I'm Samantha and today I'm going to talk about moving average. But before we start, I'd like to remind you that if you're interested in joining to my VIP Telegram group where I share all my trades, so you can text me directly on Telegram. I personally answer you and add you to my private group with signals. And please don't forget that there is a limit of just 100 people, so you need to be quick to get there. Today we have a moving average. Moving average is a technical indicator widely used in stock trading in general. Technical analysis indicators are designed to help traders assess the market situation and make appropriate trading decisions. In fact, indicators are mathematical filtering methods based on formulas. Using mathematical indicators, we determine trend movements. Their strength or attenuation, we determine the flat. We find opportunities for opening and closing positions. Also, I used to record videos about such classic indicators like RCE, CCI, MACD, and so on. In this video, I will talk about one of the most popular moving average indicators. Perhaps the moving average is the easiest method to determine the trend direction. This technical analysis indicator adds up all prices and divides them by the number of periods. It turns out a line of average prices that either increases if the trend is ascending or decreases if the trend descending, or fluctuation. In place of the flat advantages of this approach, the moving average smoothest prices, removes unnecessary fluctuations, allows you to quickly assume the direction of the trend. The MA indicator can be combined with cluster analysis. Some technical analysis such as MACD and Bollinger Bands use MA as a basis. Let's go to the settings. The moving average is closely related to cycles. For example, the most famous cycle of a futures market consists of 22 days. This is about a calendar month. A larger cycle is twice as long as 22 and a smaller one is twice as short, which is why popular periods 22, 11, 5 appear. These periods are displayed here. You can see 22, you can set 11, you can set 5. The shorter the deal, the lower the period in general. For long trends, a trader often uses a 39-week or 200-day moving average. So in general analysis suggests using the following formula to calculate the ideal moving average cycle length. Plus 1 divided by 2, the moving average is used to determine the levels of support and resistance by bands. So let's set 11. Let us send examples of trading strategies by MA. First and most common options is to open deals at the intersection of the price chart and the indicator example on a 5-minute stock chart. You have now the picture has appeared. We use the average with a period of 22 now. We analyze how we enter the first. You see the number 1 at the point. One candle closes below the moving average after crossing. It means that here you need to sell the second option, point 2. The candle closes below the moving average, so here you need to buy if a trader uses a continuous system. It closes one deal and immediately opens another, and the third option is found at point 3. A sell signal appears again, and at point 4 to buy. That's the whole difference. Despite the fact that we used a fairly long moving average, there are false signals. There is also a second option to open deals at the intersection of a short and a long moving average. That is, we turn on two indicators where is it? I forgot. Okay, like if you find it faster than me. We turn on two indicators when one goes 11, the other 5. For example, in this case, let's set a short one in red. No red to coincidence with the graph, so let's make it here in such color, and 4 pixels will still be made. And we will save the first indicator with a period of 11. We will make this color and also 3 pixels so that it can be seen better like this. In this case, the trend is determined using a longer moving average, and with the help of a short one, the moment of entry into the transaction is determined. For example, now I'm also showing you on the 5th fifth chart of Alibaba Group shares. Here is a picture on the chart, two curves, moving averages red with a period of 5, blue with a period of 10 entry points practically coincide with the previous example, and there are also false signals here. The intersections of two moving averages are sometimes called dead or golden crosses. Such a trading system can be added additionally to the trading system. For example, opening trades only if the price closes above or below both in this case. The position does not open between the two indicators, and in the third case, there is no limit to the trader's imagination when crossing more than two indicators. You can work with an unlimited number of indicators, but our task now is to trade. So we will use the 11 moving average. We will leave it this color, it will be better visible on the chart, and in the following videos we will analyze the second trading option and maybe the third one, but I don't understand how to implement it yet. So we will just trade $100 correctly to put 1% of the deposit. Yes, remember, let me look for the entrances now, and as soon as I found them I will turn on. So we have a good moment to go down. If this candle closes lower, we can bet if it jumps up it's a buy signal, or what I think is a false signal, but our task is to wait for the closing. The candle is necessarily closed below, we put it down, we take into account the volumes, that is, if it closes very low there may be an adjustment. Great deal, we have here is open, and let's watch. Excellent, this is a net plus. We can move on, we can even trade here, but as I said, personally I have determined for myself that after such big jumps I will not trade. It is better to trade on the next candle, not on this one. Also, this indicator implies entry more than once, so you can enter the transaction here again. Well, here the volumes are strong on the decline, and itching to put a hand there is still such a downward trend, a strong, very good trend. If it falls back now, oh, we trade on a decline. The deal is open and let's watch. That who pulled me now would have been 0. Of course, that is a return, because I know what happens after such sharp jumps. Nonsense. Horror here in general. What happened? Why we continued the trend from here and not from here? Okay, madam. I know, and I'm still breaking my own rules. Okay, here the trend for an increase is good. Candles are closing higher. Oh, just let's see what will happen in general. That's if you understand that the 11 period is too long, you can put 5. Probably 5 will be more correct. Just don't pay attention to the hourly time frame on the indicator because you have a period. It is not the same in this regard. Be careful. So, well, here we will not break the trend. Let's look at the downtrend, a strong downtrend. The candle closes low. I hope for a good rollback. Well, I opened 2 downtrends here and let's watch. Excellent, both deals ended in a plus, and you can search for entries further.
Fortunately, my recording stopped at this moment. While it wasn't working, I made 2 more successful deals using this indicator and earned $166.
So here's a good moment, so let's open 2 deals for a decrease and let's watch. Okay, here we have a refund and we need to wait for this candle to close and we need to understand where it will close, okay? I won't wait, I'll look for entrances further. Here we have an interesting situation and trend for an increase. Candles are closing above the level. We open 2 deals for an increase, 60% of the payout, but I've been looking for inputs for a very long time, so even this seems normal. A deal for an increase has been opened, so let's watch. Great, this is a plus. It remains to make 1 deal and you can finish. So let's look for something else. Here, by the way, is a downward trend. Interestingly, it will go down. 80% payout, 84 even, so let's go down. I want to earn 5,500. Oh, great. Why don't I bet? Something didn't suit me here. Well, let's trade it now. 1 deal is open. The order for me, of course, is a return. For some reason, I didn't put it here. I adopted something, the trend is not broken, nothing is broken, but something I didn't like about this chart, and I don't trade. Okay, we'll trade it on the increase. I'll put it right from here, so as not to miss the moment, because here it went down. Okay, let's watch. Okay, great plus in the end. Well, this is such a wonderful indicator. In the next video, we will combine two indicators. So probably that's it, and let's summarize. Of course, this is a very well-known indicator, but if many traders use some kind of tool, then the competitive advantage and potential profit decreases. And in addition, MA does not work well in flat. So whether to use this indicator or not, everything should decide for himself. Okay, and thanks a lot for watching. See you in next videos.